Hi, I'm Jasper, and I am going to put another video together here for chill code. In this case, what we're going to do is put together a chill from scratch. It's a Tomcat chill, and it's pretty much the one you see pre-installed into your account when you first register for chill code. So this chill, what it does is it's going to create a server with OpenJDK and Tomcat installed. We're going to define some content from GitHub, which is the Tomcat demo pre-built, and that's a bunch of servlets basically. We're going to put in the startup and the environmental commands that bring the whole stack up, and then we'll define the server itself, and we'll see as we go along the server being created inside Shellcode, but also in AWS, and check the website at the end. So let's go. I click on the new chill button, and we'll call this Tomcat demo. There we go. That seems sensible. First thing I'm going to do is give it a different logo. So I actually brought up the Tomcat website earlier. We can grab the image address, pop it in there, hit save, give it a bit of a description. Then we'll get to the serious stuff of actually defining the layers. So here we go. We can go in here, we'll call this the web server. We'll look up Tomcat, and there we go. We'll pop that in. We'll also look up OpenJDK. We'll add this in, and we can save it. Now we need the source code. So when I open this module up, what we see is a couple of private repositories I have, and a public one which you can grab the code from as well. Here we see inside it's the Tomcat demo. I'm going to add that in. And now we're going to do the kind of the most finicky bit of it. We're going to put in the startup command, and that's going to be we need to put the configuration parameters in. So first of all, that's going to be the Java home environment variable, which we'll put into root. We need to put in the Catalina out directory. That's the user's home account on the instance. We need to put in Catalina base. All pretty standard stuff. And finally, in this bit, we're going to put in the proxy ports. So that's 80AC. And just checking that all looks good. Cool. Hit save. So we're done defining the chill. What we now need to do is define an environment, so somewhere on the cloud to run this. And we're just going to take the defaults here. So let's give this a name. It's just one layer, so we only need one server, and we're going to run it on a micro instance. I'll hit save here, and all we need to do now is hit deploy. So while that's deploying, it takes about 4 minutes. Let's have a look at my AWS dashboard. Here we can see the instance 2 from the bottom coming up. What I also want to do is go into the logs. We can see the IP address here. Let's go into here. If I try to load this, you'll see it doesn't work. So when we run this in about 3 minutes time, do the same command, reload the URL, hopefully that will bring up the website. Let's go back here. One last thing I'm going to highlight is the URL itself. When I click on here, we have the public clone page of the demo I've created. So this is something which is automatically public. Other people can search for it, find it. I can go and share it, and if they want to, they can fork it. And rather than writing it all from scratch, all they have to do is literally define that one server instance. Bang, it's up and running. So let's go back. The environment's still coming up. It's going to be another minute and a half or so. So I'm just going to pause the video, and the moment that's up, I shall come back and we'll take a look at that. Okay, I'm back. Everything seems to be up, so let's go try reloading that page. Hit the reload button here. Bang, we have a website. It's that simple. The thing to ask yourself is, if you had to build this from scratch, deploy it, know what the software was, how long would that take you? I don't think you'll find a faster way, safer way of building entire environments from scratch. The last thing I'll do is go back here, show you the logs. If you need to, you can go into here. Here's the running logs. And there we have everything outputted from the server instance on AWS. In fact, this is a Docker instance running on the server instance. And here we see the Tomcat output. So there we go. We have a few minutes scratch. We built, deployed a website, and using chill code. You wouldn't even need a few minutes. If you just fork this, you would be up running with one click. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you watch our next one too. Cheers.